Lydia, are you okay?
Some things shouldn't be forgiven.
You came. Of course. Wouldn't miss it. Amara, don't!
Just sleep. Nothing more.
You tried to hurt me.
You stole him from me.
Stop, please. Lydia, are you okay?
Some things shouldn't be forgiven.
Have you been wondering how to create Nigerian movie clips that look professional even without a big studio? Maybe you've got ideas, stories, or short film scenes in your head, but you just don't know where to start. Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to write, structure, and visualize your own Nigerian movie scene using simple tools like VO3 and a clear script format. So grab your notebook or open your laptop, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to turn your story idea into a cinematic Nigerian movie clip with real emotion, local flavor, and film quality visuals.
So for the short video, I touched ChatGPT. I want you to help me with a short movie script with 3 characters. Describe them: ages, hair, outfit, body size, and skin tone. I want 2 friends to plan evil against another because one is getting married. So they plan evil to kill her. So these are the characters it gave me. And it even gave a name for the video, Beneath the Veil. So this is the first one, Lydia Mendez. Then this is, so actually I have to be specific on what I said. And I told you that I want a Nigerian characters. All right. So this is Lydia Okafor, Amara Nwosu, and Teni Babalola. All right. So these are their description. Now the next thing is the dialogue and the settings. So that's the next thing I said. So I said I want each scene with dialogue and settings. So as you can see, this is the dialogue, this is the settings, so these are the dialogues. All right. So the next thing I said I want the image description. I want them to be together. So I'm going to click on it and highlight all this. This is the image description of the 3 friends together. So I'm going to copy it. Then let's go to our browser. All right. So we are going to use ImageFS. Okay, I'm going to use ImageFS. So I'm going to type ImageFS. So is this one? All right, so I'm going to click on this. I'm going to highlight all. Okay, I mean the dialogue especially. I'll copy it. So now I'm supposed to add the camera angles. So you can add the camera angles. So I'm going to press say I want you to add. Then I'll press in my prompt and say let's say I'll generate their image differently. So these are their different description. So I'm going to generate their image differently. Okay. Now I'm going to generate this image. So I'll generate this image. So these are the images of where to be. You can choose any one you want. So I'll choose this one and download it. So for this second one, this is the second character. So I'll select it. I'm going to add it. So for the third one. So this is our image. Alright, so in this one we're going to use ingredients to video. When I said ingredients to video, just watch what I'm doing. I'm going to select this plus icon. I'm going to bring in the characters, the 3 of them. Yeah. So this is the first character. Then so the second character. Select this plus icon and still upload the third character. So the 3 of them is uploaded. The next thing you're going to do is to paste your prompt. So this is the prompt. This is the first character. So we just click here and select send. So let's see how the result is going to come up. So while it's still uploading, I'm going to go back to I'm going to go back here and select the second scene. So let's copy it. Now this is what I want you to do. Okay, still upload them. Alright, so this is it. So let's play it and see.
Of course. Wouldn't miss it.
Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do, you see this icon that is like pen, just click on it. Make sure you turn on your desktop site. Like I said, in order to make your videos to be long, just click on scene builder. If you click on this icon, it will bring out this scene builder. Then remember you have to turn on your incognito site. You see mine is turned on. If yours is not turned on, you might not see it. Alright, so as you can see, this is it. This is the first scene. So I'll just download it. But if you want to add more scenes, just click on it and
Okay. Of course. Wouldn't miss it.
so just scroll down. Then this icon is where you're going to add another scene. Alright. Just drag this. Drag this to where you want it to be. Click here. I mean where you want it to be. Just drag this. Drag it. Now this is where you want your next scene to start, right? So you're going to select this plus sign and select extend. Yeah. Now the next thing you're going to do is to select here and select ingredients to video as well. So you're going to select this plus icon and still upload those images that you've downloaded from Image.fs. So I'm going to use the same thing in all of them. So I'm going to click on upload. So I'm choosing the same character. Okay. So after choosing it, once it's uploaded, I'll still choose other ones. So in order to keep our character consistent. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and choose the second one. I choose the plus icon and choose the third one. Alright, so this is where you're going to paste your prompt. Alright, just paste your prompts. Alright, so after that you select send. So it's generating. We have to wait. So this is how to make your videos to be long than generating them one by one. Alright, so this is the best part. Now our video is ready. So let's click on this one and
Mara, don't. Just sleep. Nothing more.
Okay, of course. Wouldn't it?
alright, so this part I'm gonna extend it as well. I'll extend it as well. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to still upload our images. And alright, so I'm going to press the third prompt. So as you can see, it's generating. This is the third scene, so I'm going to drag this now. And then play it.
Amara, why did Cheek text you?
What?
What's in my drink? I trusted you.
Okay,
So this is it. So after that, I'm going to select send. So this is how you make your videos to be long. Remember to turn on your incognito. Alright. So make sure it's on. If it's not on, you will not see this the builder. Yeah. Alright, our video is ready. Our video is ready. So let's play it and see.
You tried to hurt me. You stole him from me. Stop, please.
okay, of course. Wouldn't me?
You stole him from me. Stop, please.
Okay, of course.
So drag it to this ending part, hold it and drag it. Okay, still repeat the same process. It's very, very easy. Select ingredient to video. So I'm gonna reduce it a little bit and so I'll paste my prompt. So to get a better result, you have to identify them with their names and their outfit. All right. So I discovered something in the last one. So this is a.
Please, I trusted you.
Next, I'm going to download this one. Just click on it and download. So in a situation like this and the video is done exported, so after this, all you have to do is to go to your watermark remover and remove the view tray, take it to CapCut, edit, add your auto caption and export. Your video is ready. All right, so that is how to achieve this result.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to show you how to add camera angles, lighting, and VO prompts for your next short film. Remember, you don't need a big crew to tell powerful stories. All you need is creativity, structure, and the right direction. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials on creating authentic Nigerian movie scenes from script to screen.